Welcome to Jackal DIY and Tech. In this short video, and apologies for the video quality, I was taking it with my phone, I will show you how to combine the disk. In this case, it was an SSD and it was used as a system drive. Now in this case, you can see three partitions, the left one being reserve, the middle one, the blue one, this was a system partition, only 100 megabyte big. And then we have the unoccupied space of the whole drive. I have already successfully deleted the left part of the disk, which was one partition, but now I have to combine all of them, but I cannot, because the middle one can be deleted inside the disk manager. So I'll show you how to do it in a different way. So what you have to do is right click on the Start menu button and go to the Windows PowerShell. You can also go to the CMD, so command prompt, and if you open the PowerShell, this window will open up, otherwise you'll have a black window, and type in disk part. This is for disk partition. Now what you have to do is get a list of the disks connected to the PC. In this case, I have one disk in the system, and the drive that I want to delete, this was connected via a USB to the PC. Now to get a list of disks, simply type in list disk with a space in between. As you can see, I have two disks, and the one in question that I want to delete is the second one, so disk 1. Now you have to select the disk that you want to do something with, so in this case select disk 1. After the disk is selected, you will want to look at all of the partitions that are present on the disk. So in this case, we will have to type list partition. In this case, it gives me partition 3. It is 99 megabytes big, which is the only partition on this drive that is still, well, partitioned. Otherwise, we have two sections of the disk that are unoccupied and are waiting to be partitioned. So now you have to select the partition that you want to do something with. So select partition, in this case 3. Now the partition is selected, and what you want to do is to delete it. So simply type in delete partition override, and this will make it so that you can actually delete it. And as you saw, the whole disk is now black, which means unoccupied, and now you can simply right click and make a new drive or a new partition. In this case, we can just go ahead, make a new one, and this will now format the drive and make it, and this partition will now take up the whole drive, not just a section of it. So as you can see, we can see the actual disk partition. It is empty and it's as big as the whole disk. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel to get more DIY and tech content.